But do y'all see this? Like dude, like get into it. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Winnie Jean, and today we're doing a cute little 90s vibe. Y'all know I've been feeling the 90s hair. I'm not really with the Y2K 90s clothes, I'm not gonna lie, that's not my personal favorite, but the hair and the makeup, minus the eyebrows, everything but the eyebrows is fantastic. So today's video is sponsored by My First Wig. They specialize in beginner friendly wigs and it comes packaged so freaking cute. So I'm gonna show you guys the wig and everything that it came with. They sent me this 20-inch Yaki V-part and I love the texture. It's like kinky straight but a little less texture, so I feel like once I flat iron it, it's gonna blend with my hair like perfectly. And the V part is a little different. As you can see, instead of it being like that like netted material, it's actually like a really thin track right here, which is nice because I feel like this wig is gonna last a really long time. It feels like it's made really well. On the inside, there are 4 clips around the part, 2 on either side. Then there are 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back. It also came with this detachable band that you can add into the back. You don't have to even sew it in yourself. You just kind of clip it in to add a little bit of extra security. You clip it on this side and then you also clip it on this side. And now you have an attached elastic band that is kind of like a bra strap in a way because you can adjust it using this situation. It's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen a wig come like this. It is very beginner friendly and it feels really well made. So that is cool. And again, this is in 20 inches in the Yaki texture. And all the details for the hair will be down below in the description bar. I am really excited to get into this video, so let's do it. Oh, wait. I gotta show you guys what else it came with. The wig comes in this cute little bag, which is perfect to put in your wig drawer. Okay, it also came with a wig cap and a comb and some clips in this little cute container. I travel a lot, so I love getting these little baggies with stuff. Like, you can always use it for a trip or you can use it like as a wet bag for a swimsuit since it's plastic. There's so many ways you can reuse these. It came with the cute little My First Wig comb and 2 of these clips. They're like the really good ones. So we're all set. I don't think I'll actually need the wig cap today, but you can never have too many wig caps since I wear since I wear frontals. You can really never have too many wig caps. Like, there's no such thing. So let's get into it, honey. I am really excited to put this wig on. I actually have my hair braided already. I've been wearing V-part wigs this week and my hair is kind of straight. I still need to run over it with the flat iron. I've been wearing a curly like wavy wig, so my hair is pretty much like curled to blend with that. So I'm going to just section my hair out of the way on top because I don't think I want to wear any edges out for this wig. You really don't need to, and I want my install to be as simple as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this leave out of the way and then we can install the wig. These V-part wigs are really easy to install. If you haven't seen any of my other tutorials, definitely go check them out. These V-part wigs are lifesavers. All right, so I have my leave out up top out of the way. I want to just show you guys the braid pattern that I threw together before we get too far into the install. So I have 3 braids on either side and then 1 braid down the middle in the back. So as you can see, I kind of have all of the braids connected in the back so that I don't have to have like all those random braids like hanging out and tucking them in places. I'm excited about this braid pattern because this is the most flat that I've been able to get my hair without like a ton of braids in a long time. So she's that girl, she is the moment. I'm gonna use a little bit of edge control. This is the olive oil edge control. I don't know if you can see that, but so I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my edges and I'm gonna just slick these back because I really don't want to have to worry about flat ironing my edges. And I've been going a little crazy with the soft baby hairs for like 6 months, and at this point the heat damage is happening. It's happening. It is definitely happening. I'm gonna part out my little sideburns because I like when those frame my face, and then I'm just kind of swooping everything back as if I have edges out. Like I'm doing a little baby hair, but I'm not actually leaving the hair out. I'm just kind of swooping it, and then we'll put the wig on top. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, it'll make sense in a minute. I got it kind of smooth. I am not a big fan of this edge control, but it's given enough so that we can move on, honey. So the wig comes like this with the little piece in the front attached. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and trim those apart. And then we're gonna apply the wig as normal. I'm really excited to see what this elastic band does. I'm not sure how tight to make it, so I'm gonna just start where I am and then we'll see. It also has adjustable straps in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these too. Cause honey, who does not want their wig slipping off is me. That would be so embarrassing. Like, oh no, please Jesus. Sorry if I keep looking over here. This is where my mirror is. And I'm kind of tucking those edges that we had out into the wig to get it placed right. So you kind of get the effect of having edges out, but you don't have to like actually have edges out, you know? Cause ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so this is the wig straight out of the bag and put onto my head. I was a little nervous that the round part wouldn't be as flat because it's different than the V parts that I'm used to, but it looks really, really flat and the hair feels so good. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give the hair a little trim. Okay, so I cut the ends kind of blunt, and then now I want to add a couple layers into the front. Do I? Or do I want to leave it even? No, I need some type of layers. But before we go ahead and cut the layers in, I'm actually going to flat iron the hair just to get it a little bit more bone straight, because I want to make sure the layers start where my hair stops. I don't want to like cut the layers up here, then my hair is laying on top of it and it's not sitting right.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Okay, I have everything straightened and this hair is silky AF. Like, this may be my new favorite texture. Like, it's so soft, it doesn't tangle at all. It's just like the silkiest. Girl, I'm kind of obsessed, but let's finish. So this is what the top is looking like. Everything is laying really, really flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my leave out. I'm gonna find just a little bit of the It's a 10 leave-in as a heat protectant, because I have kind of been overdoing it, I'm not gonna lie. Like, look at that blend. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to calm down, but oh my god, this is looking so pretty so far.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hits a block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too flush. Say my day's a number,
But do y'all see this? Like, get into it. The blend is so amazing. If you have natural hair or maybe even relaxed hair, I feel like this would be the perfect texture for you. But now that we've got the hair installed, I'm ready to add our layers. So I'm gonna part out the section from the crown of my head to right at my ears. And this is the section that I'm gonna go ahead and put the layers in. So as you can see, everything in front of my ear, that's where the layers are gonna go. So let me pull my hair out so I can see where it is. Okay, it's about here. So I'm taking my razor comb and I'm going to just add a little bit of layers, not nothing too crazy. I'm wearing black so you can't really see, but that is what the layers are giving. Nothing too crazy, it just is like a nice little gradient. And I'm just gonna bump at the ends a little bit so that the layers get a little bit more like popping or whatever. And I'm literally just like bumping it, not a curl, just a little boop. Okay, so now that's what it's giving, just a little bump. Ooh, ooh. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so I bumped the ends and this is what they look like. I've tried to do this hairstyle like 3 or 4 times and I feel like with this texture I was able to get it perfect. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's so lightweight and airy. Like if somebody breathes on me, my hair is gonna blow. Like can you see it? When I say I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed and I really need to calm down. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. I am obsessed with this hair. I literally don't want to take it off. The hair blends so well, like it's so flat. I'm obsessed. So thank you again to my first wig for working with me. This hair is amazing. All the details will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to pick it up or just check it out, honey. I can't stop shaking my head. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.